Well, hello internet friends, this is Tina from Tia's Treasures, and today I have a quick, hopefully, unboxing video for you. Stamps of Life Happy Mail. This is the April 2021 card kit, and it is called, let's see, Remember This collection. Now, remember this collection, it's the Remember This collection. Okay, let's move this off, and we will start with, always get, I have things sticking all over the place, come on now. We always get in this card kit a nice little envelope. It's this, plastic envelope which you can store your card kit in. You've got a little place you can write the month, and I like storing the card kit while I'm working on it. Afterwards I usually try to put it away, and I find something to do with these nice envelopes. So the colored cardstock, as it just fell, that's what I get. Colored cardstock we get this month comes in a variety of colors. Now these are really nice cardstock. It's nice heavy. I don't know if you can hear that. It's got to be like 100 pound at least. And the colors we get, let me make sure I'm getting these right. We get the mint chip. So we've got mint chip. We've got lemonade. We have, I believe this is Pixie. And bubblegum. And this one is, I want to say this is Sky, I believe. Cherry. Blue Jay. And grape. And then we have like 4 pieces of powdered sugar. Get them apart, yeah. Trust me, 4 pieces of powdered sugar, or as I like to call them, white, purple, light blue, dark pink, blue, light pink, lavender, yellow, and light green. Real pretty palette. I like all these pastels this month. We also get, I should just put this to the side, put it upside down. We get this Stamps of Life paper pack. You get 24 double-sided sheets. And you get, I love this month's with birds. You get this light blue bird, raindrops, Remember This, more raindrops in the pink. These are cut aparts you can use if you're a member of the Die Hard Stamp Club. You can use your dies on these, or you can just fussy cut them out or use a brother scan and cut. You get 2 sheets of these. Well, actually, you get 4 because you get them in the back as well. These rainbow raindrops, rainbow raindrops. Those are really pretty. I like the grape colored raindrops. More of this blue bird paper. Little tinier Remember This paper. More tiny raindrops. Little yellow raindrops. And this is kind of neat looking. Rainbow colored hearts on a pink background. Get some fun little polka dots. Little confetti. That'd be fun for a birthday card. You get, it says love in pink all the way across. And then you get some light blue raindrops on this side. Some more blue raindrops. It's real pretty purple circle, intertwining circle pattern. And then we are back to the beginning again. Shut that. We also get, with this month's card kit, we get variety get envelopes. I think there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can't be right. 1, 2. Does anybody really want to see me count envelopes? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 envelopes. Wow, I don't think I've ever counted those before. It's just like, it can't be more than 10. Well, it was. It's 12 envelopes. These kits usually come with some ribbon. There's a pretty pink ribbon and a blue and white ribbon. We've got both for the stamps. We've got a small, there's always a reason to smile. You just have to find it, with 2 birds. And then these 2 little birds have the matching die cuts here with the shadow layers. We have some chipboard. It's not stickers, it's just chipboard, but most people glue it anyway. Braver, stronger, smarter, loved, laughed, friend, smiled, relax, clouds, some little hearts, flowers, and a little scallop. And we also have the Remember This with a shadow die. Real pretty font this is. We get some enamel dots that match the paper perfectly, and some flowers, some little gemstone flowers that match as well. And this month we also got this little bonus. And where did I put it? I think it fell. We got a little bonus die, just because Stephanie likes to give us just because sometimes. It's this real pretty border die with a shadow layer. And so that's that for this month's card kit. Thank you.